Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make Clickbank sales without a website. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about how to make Clickbank sales without a website. I'm going to give you 4 easy steps. The first one, of course, is to pick a product. And we've talked about this in other videos, but the 3 most profitable niches are make money online, relationships, and health. So those are the 3 areas that people have the most problems in, and then you can find products to solve their problem within the Clickbank marketplace. So you want to pick something that has a fairly good gravity, but I'm going to show you an exception to that rule, so that's not always set in stone. I used to say 50, but gravity is just how many affiliates have sold that particular product in the last month, I believe it is. You also want to find something that might be on the first page of your search. I'll show you that here in a minute. You want good affiliate tools, and you want the sales page to be good, because there's a lot of Clickbank products that I review that the sales pages are just totally unrealistic, and those are not products that you want to promote. So if we go to the Clickbank marketplace here, we're going to go to e-business and e-marketing, and if you sort by popularity, you'll see the most popular products that are going to have the highest gravity. So we scroll down here. I'm going to give you a few products that I recommend here in just a minute, but I'm going to show you an exception to the rule as far as the gravity, because I found a product in here. It's called Passive Affiliate System, and I would say, to me, this is the best product in here as far as using the product and being able to make money with it. So it's a video course teaching you how to make videos where you don't show your face, but this is totally different from any YouTube marketing training that I've found. And it's not branding yourself. It's basically like a copycat system where you find videos out there that are already ranking, and then you do one that's similar but better. And he shows you how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. And I did a video, a review on it right here. I'll leave this in the link below, in the description below. How to make videos without showing your face. Passive affiliate auto webinar reviews. It's an hour-and-a-half webinar, and even if you don't get the product, if people just watch the webinar, I think it's going to be a high converting product here. But anyway, that's something where it has 0 gravity, but not to say that that's not a good product. So it's not set in stone, the gravity. The second thing is you, of course, want to capture people's names and email addresses, because people don't always buy on the first exposure, so you don't want to just send them to the sales page. Even with that webinar, I would recommend you get a lead capture page. And I like to use ClickFunnels or the Conversion Pros. The third thing is you're going to create a follow-up series in your autoresponder. I like to use GetResponse, and then you're going to connect that to your landing page or your lead capture page. So if we go back to the e-business and e-marketing, one of the products that I really like is the 12-minute affiliate system. So if you go to their affiliate page here, hey, what's up, Jake? And we scroll down, if you can find a product that has some good email follow-ups, that's great, because you don't have to do them yourself, and these are obviously high converting emails. So right down here you can see the 12-minute affiliate already has some email swipes that you can use. You see how many they have. And I really like Devon Brown, the way that he markets. So he's got, let's see, Yeah, he's got 16 email swipes. So you can load these up into your autoresponder. You know, he's got a couple different headlines you can test as well. So that's really good. I like that. So that's going to be the third step. And then the fourth step, of course, is to drive traffic to your lead capture page. Free methods would be, of course, YouTube. Classified ads, I did a video on that not too long ago. I'm going to leave that in the description below the video as well. But a lot of times people don't realize that classified ads are free, and you can get a lot of traffic with that. And you could do a banner, different things. So I think that's a really great way to market Clickbank products. And then this is kind of an exception to the rule because a blog is a website. But I wanted to show you this product. You can do product reviews and then you can give bonuses. I don't do bonuses right here on my blog, but I wanted to show you what you could do. This is another product. It's called CB Automator. And I'll leave a link to this video that I did on it as well. But basically, they do all your reviews for you. You just do force import. So I'll show you how it'll import another Clickbank product here. And this actually, so Ted's woodworking plans review. This is a very good high converting offer here. And this doesn't go in the 3 most profitable niches, but it's kind of an exception to the rule. I know this is a very popular product that sells very well. So you can see that it's just automatically imported there. My link would be in here already. So that's just an idea for you as far as another way to promote. And then some paid ones. I have a video on this I'll post below as well, but you can do shout outs on Instagram, you can do solo ads, and then you can do paid YouTube ads. So I'm going to give you an example of some good products that I think would convert well. That one that I was just talking about, the auto affiliate webinar, I think is excellent. Overnight Millionaire, and I did a review on that. I'll leave it in the description below as well. But I think it's in this category, Overnight Millionaire. He pays like 90-some percent, 92% commissions. And let's see, he didn't have this. Actually, this is brand new. He didn't have this affiliate page here before. So this is really, really good. I like his style. He's got a lot of energy. And I've made some sales, some pretty good amount of sales with this particular product, so I like that. Again, the auto affiliate webinar and then the 12-minute affiliate system. I think those are all really good products. So just a better idea as far as promoting is you take these products, you create results with the products, you create YouTube videos providing value about how to use this particular product and the method that you use, how you promoted it and everything. And then have a link in the description below the video, call to action to your lead capture page. So that's a way that I think the best way is to become a product of the product, show people that it actually works, and then have a link to your lead capture page, and then you have the follow-up series. It just shows people that the product actually does work, that you're not just trying to make sales. But then again, you can do product reviews where you haven't actually used it, but just give a walkthrough and then have bonuses that you offer, then have a call to action to promote or for people to buy the actual product. So that's how the 4 steps that I would say that you can make Clickbank sales without a website. Hope you guys found some value in this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. And if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mayo signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.